came with a message today to the students of Waianae High School and Hawaiian Hawaiian Charter School. The message was to believe in themselves and to believe in our capacity for greatness. The message today was hopefully to inspire them to their next level of best. The intention today and the will today was to remind them that they are capable of so many things and that it's imperative that they find their passion, and that by uniting ourselves and demonstrating that they can sound wonderful and that they can join their voices in song in our mele that speak of the land which connects us all, then they can see the beauty and the fruits of their work. What is it that you will aspire to? What is it that you will avail yourself to? What dream do you have for yourself? It's essential for us to be able to unite ourselves, for we are a diverse people from Hawaii to Ni'ihau. But through that diversity, that which connects us is our culture, it is our history, it is our genealogies, and the mele that sing of our land, that sing of our people, and that sing of our nation, that sing of Hawaii and our beloved flag and all that it represents. It reminds us that we are Kanaka. We come from a proud stock of Lāhui that know how to be together and move together. So it is a reminder to us to be in the way of our ancestors and to be able to unite our people.
Hold it out.
Today, for me, it's kind of a new experience. Now learning about this and introducing myself to new people that will teach me more, it really inspires me to see other people that fight for our community. And that's what I really took away from this, is to take away the negativity from everybody and put it all together into one and make it our own community.
It just gives us a sense of belonging, and like it shows how much Hawaii means to us and like how much it's in us and our culture and how much just embodies us. And don't be so ashamed and just don't think about what other people have to say about you. Like, stand tall even though they'll judge you and like their opinions don't matter.
So when you see this flag, I want you to remember where your mainland is. I hope that the amount of energy and the amount of aloha that went into them today, that if at least one held on to it and if at least one of them remembered that they heard a kumu say that they were proud of them, that they heard a kumu or a makua say that they did well, and if they remember the excitement, the passion, the joy of us uniting our voices today, that they would remember this and take it with them every day. So I came to them with several messages. Most of all, love for our land, love for our culture, and love for our people. You and I possess the incredible capacity for greatness. Do not let anyone ever tell you that you are not.